How to set up out of office in Outlook mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Outlook mobile app, then just simply click on the top left hand side corner where you see your profile's icon, and after that you will be able to find the option of settings at the bottom left hand side. Just simply select it. Now select the email address for which you want to set up the out of office. After that, over here you will be able to find the option of automatic replies. Since this is a new account for me, that's why it is not showing for me as of now, but for you it will be shown that there is some option of automatic replies. Just simply turn it on and set the message as out of office, and you can also select the duration for it. So just select the duration for which you want to send the out of office reply, and the automatic replies will be there for you. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.